Okay. So, come back. JB, come back. Tubang, tubang na. Hold like that. Okay. Go that side to. Go that side kayo may tao. How old are you, Toto? How old?
10.
Okay, you can run. Okay, back. Okay, where's your brother?
Double digit na si JB. Celebrate natin yung milestone niya. Mag-video shoot and photo shoot sila habang piniprepare yung mga food. Happy si JB kasi akala niya wala siyang party kasi galing lang sila ng vacation from Pinas. So, salamat people for showing up.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Look at their happy birthday to you.
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, GB.
Thank you everyone for celebrating JB's 10th birthday. Double digit na siya. Bali ang handaan nasa park lang. Syempre with family and friends. September 3 ang birthday and they just came back from vacation. Kasi school break. So mga August 20 plus sila bumalik. And July, August nasa Pinas sila during the school break nila.
Oh, your socks. You didn't drink water yet.